Malamig na naman guys. Malamig na naman. Today is Tuesday, March 19, St. Joseph birthday. Piyesta ng Cabalantian, Bacolor, Pampanga. Yan, may dalawang pusa naman tayo guys. So yan, yung mga stray cat natin. Ayan si Mika. Yan, may bagong ano naman, buntes. Si buntes ayan o. Inabandon siya guys. Ayun, inabandon na naman. Ito pinapakain natin. Kawawa naman sila oh. Guys, kung sino yung may-ari dito, nandito guys, please come here and pick her up. Yan. The owner of this is Mika. You see? Sarap ng kain nila. Yan oh. May mga nakalata pang pagkain nila. Yun. Ayun si Mika. Yan. And si Lucy. Lucy yung pangalan ng isa. Mika and Lucy. Yan. Mga layas guys. Mga askal. Yan. Mga askal. Mga puskal pala ito. Puskal. We call them puskal. Pusang layas. Pero ito nakat na ito buntis oh. Yan guys, pag na ano yan di kinuha, I'm going to catch her and I'm going to bring her to SPCA. Once she give birth, I'm going to bring her to SPCA. Please claim here guys. Your cat is in here. She's very beautiful, you see? It's very nice oh. She's looking. Yan, tapos na siya. Okay? Okay, I'm giving her food. Yan, may mga shelter ako dyan sa baba. Styrofoam with rice straw. Yung ano, yung are o dayami. Yan siya. I give your name. This one is Maki. The first one and the last one over there is what do you call? Lucy. Yan, may hot water sila. Warm water. Yan, umalis na siya. Come here. Come here. Come baby. Come here. Medyo ano na siya. Medyo lumalapit na sa akin. Pero may pagka-wild sila. Yan, ang mga animal kinakausap mo lang guys. Magiging ano sila, magiging friendly. Come here. Come. Okay, eat your food. Continue your food. Continue your food. Yan, tapos na sila. Naglayas na sila. Yan.